Question 13. What is DNA fingerprinting? Mention its application. Okay. As our fingerprint is unique, so is our DNA fingerprint. So, DNA fingerprinting is a technique to determine the relationship between two DNA samples, studying the similarities and dissimilarities of VNTRS, that is, variable number of tandem repeats. Okay. Now, DNA fingerprinting is to identify or to study two DNA samples. How closely are they repeated? How closely do they resemble from each other? Applications. It is used as a tool in forensic tests to identify criminals and to settle parental disputes, whether the child is of a specific parent or not. So these are the applications, and to identify the racial groups to rewrite biological evolution. As things are changing, as science is increasing, to even understand and identify evolution. So we are done with DNA fingerprint.